Kina. The Dhikr is like the drop of water on the rock. There's a place in New Mexico called Dar al-Islam. Does anybody know that place? It's a madrasa that was built up in the mountains, and I've been going there for many years. But there's a little spout. It rains quite a bit up there. There's a spout that drops down on this brick pathway outside the masjid, and I've been watching it for years get deeper and deeper. Every time I go back, I see it's had more of an effect, and that is the effect of dhikr on the heart. There's people that do dhikr and they don't think they're getting anything from it, because it's like that drop on the heart. It takes a very long time for dhikr to really penetrate. Now, some people's hearts are more open than other people's hearts. That's just something Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us different spiritual capabilities. Some people have dreams. They're more open to the dream world. Some people don't have any dreams. I'm sure some of you know people that are always having amazing dreams. There are people like that. They're just more open, and that's a certain type. It's just like people can sing and people can't sing. There are also spiritual gifts that people have, and there's people that have sixth sense, that are very intuitive. Women tend to be more intuitive than men. Women tend to get a better sense of people than men have. They might not be as attuned to the type of just of what's in front of them, really.